Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Microsoft 365 admin access, Exchange Online, and a Yammer network are active. Without those, Viva Engage won't initialize. Next, assign Viva Engage licenses to a small pilot group. Use Azure AD groups to speed policy rollouts. Once done, navigate to Microsoft 365 Admin Center to verify service health and license assignment. This reduces surprises later. Finally, open the Viva Engage app from the App Launcher to confirm visibility for assigned users. This proves you now configure the core settings that shape daily use. Go to the Viva Engage admin settings to set the organization profile, network name, and default language so people recognize the space. Then create community templates, assign moderation roles, and define posting and file policies. This prevents chaos. Make sure to integrate SharePoint for files, connect communities to Teams channels for notifications, and enable Viva Insights where needed. These integrations drive collaboration and retention once users begin posting and sharing. You finish by executing the launch and preparing to fix common issues. Run a controlled pilot, gather feedback, and iterate governance and templates within 2 weeks so adoption ramps smoothly. Train moderators, publish quick start guides, and host a kickoff meeting to model behavior. If someone cannot access Viva Engage, immediately check their license assignment, Azure AD group membership, and Microsoft 365 service health. These are the usual culprits. Finally, adjust notification and guest access settings to prevent unexpected information leaks and to close the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.